12 popular cars are getting their insurance doubled in 2026. The Hyundai Elantra had 48,000 thefts last year. Tesla Model Y's minor crashes are totaling the entire car. Even the F-150 made the blacklist. Before you buy or renew, you need to see which cars insurers are red flagging for massive rate hikes. Number 12. Kia Forte, 2015 to 2021. First on our insurance hit list is the Kia Forte, focusing on the 2015 to 2021 models. The Forte's appeal is obvious. It's affordable, fuel-efficient, and packed with features. It's been a go-to for budget-savvy buyers and commuters, looking like a smart buy on paper. But here's the devastating secret. These model years are ground zero for a nationwide car theft epidemic. A viral social media trend exposed a critical vulnerability: the absence of a factory-installed engine immobilizer, a standard anti-theft device that prevents the engine from starting without the correct key. Thieves discovered they could bypass the ignition in under a minute with something as simple as a USB cable. The consequences have been catastrophic. Since the trend exploded, thefts of vulnerable Kias have skyrocketed, with the Forte ranking as the 8th most stolen vehicle in 2023. Insurance companies are hemorrhaging money from the endless flood of theft claims. Their response has been severe. Owners are reporting shocking premium increases, even with flawless driving records. In high-theft areas, some major carriers have reportedly refused to write new policies for these cars at all, leaving owners trapped. While software updates have helped reduce thefts, many cars remain unpatched, and the lingering risk is immense. By 2026, insurers will have years of data pricing this risk, and the premium for a 2018 Forte could rival that of a new luxury car. Number 11. Hyundai Elantra, 2015 to 2021. Sliding into the number 11 spot is the Kia Forte's corporate cousin, the Hyundai Elantra, from the same vulnerable 2015 to 2021 model years. The Elantra's sleek design, comfortable ride, and outstanding value made it one of the most common sedans on the road. Unfortunately, that trust was shattered by the exact same security flaw. These Elantras also lack a standard engine immobilizer, making them just as laughably easy to steal. The National Insurance Crime Bureau, NICB, named the Hyundai Elantra the single most stolen vehicle of 2023, with over 48,000 reported thefts. The trend has continued, with the Elantra still topping the most stolen list in the first half of 2025. For insurers, the data is a complete nightmare. This has forced the industry to take drastic measures. Many owners have been floored by massive rate hikes at renewal. Some major providers have reportedly blacklisted these models in certain areas, halting new policies altogether. As we race toward 2026, insurers will use years of terrifying data to prove the immense risk these cars pose, pricing their policies accordingly. Expect the premium for an affected Elantra to be astronomical, turning this once practical car into a massive financial liability. Number 10. Land Rover Range Rover. At number 10, we pivot from budget sedans to the pinnacle of luxury, the Land Rover Range Rover. For decades, it has been the undisputed symbol of success and all-terrain dominance. It's the SUV that announces to the world that you've arrived. But here's the brutal reality. Owning a Range Rover can be a financial nightmare, and insurance companies know it. They are magnets for high-tech thieves and have jaw-dropping repair costs. Newer Range Rovers are prime targets for sophisticated criminals using relay attacks to capture the key fob signal, letting them drive away in seconds. The problem became so severe in the UK that some insurers reportedly refused to offer coverage, forcing the manufacturer to create its own insurance program. Even if it doesn't get stolen, the repair bills might make you wish it had. These are immensely complex machines. Repairing the specialized aluminum body panels and recalibrating the network of onboard sensors can result in a bill so high that insurers often declare the vehicle a total loss. By 2026, as these tech-heavy SUVs age and parts become even more expensive, insurers will be raising premiums to potentially unbearable levels. That dream SUV could very quickly become a recurring financial nightmare. Number 9. Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. Screaming into the number 9 spot is the embodiment of American muscle, the Dodge Charger, particularly its supercharged SRT Hellcat version. The appeal is visceral, over 700 horsepower, a demonic supercharger whine, and the raw power to vaporize rear tires on command. But with great power comes a monstrously great insurance bill. The Hellcat is a car that insurers view with extreme suspicion. Statistically, A vehicle with this much raw power is a magnet for high-risk scenarios, and when a Hellcat crashes, it's almost always a total loss. Beyond the performance risk, these cars are huge targets for theft. Hellcats are hunted by professional thieves for their valuable engines. Their theft rates are astronomically high. The Highway Loss Data Institute, HLDI, reported that claims for the Charger SRT Hellcat were more than 60 times more frequent than the average for all 2020 to 2022 models. It has repeatedly been named the most stolen vehicle in America on a per capita basis. Insurers aren't just pricing the car, they're pricing the criminal attention it attracts. As we barrel towards 2026, the claims data for both crashes and thefts is only growing, and premiums are being priced into the stratosphere. Number 8. Tesla Model S. At number 8, we plug into high-tech electric performance with the Tesla Model S. It fundamentally reshaped the automotive landscape, proving electric cars could be sleek, luxurious, and ludicrously fast, becoming the ultimate status symbol for the tech-forward elite. However, the very innovations that make a Tesla revolutionary also make it a migraine for insurance companies. The first issue is the staggering cost of repairs. Teslas utilize aluminum-intensive structures, and even minor damage can demand specialized, incredibly expensive repair procedures. The true financial landmine, however, is the battery pack. If the battery housing is compromised, replacement can cost upwards of $20,000, an expense that often totals the car. A cracked windshield isn't just glass. It houses sensitive autopilot cameras and requires costly recalibration. A minor bump can damage an array of sensors, turning a small fix into a five-figure invoice. While Tesla offers its own insurance, traditional insurers now see that Teslas generate frequent and astronomically expensive claims. For 2026, they'll be jacking up premiums to reflect this high-cost reality. Number 7. Ford F-150, high-end trims. Rolling in at number 7 isn't an exotic supercar, but America's best-selling vehicle, the Ford F-150. Specifically, we're targeting the high-end trims like the King Ranch, Platinum, and Limited. These are no longer just work trucks, they're mobile luxury suites. And that is precisely the problem. The very features that make these trucks so desirable are also making them a huge insurance liability. A modern high-trim F-150 is a technological masterpiece with a weight-saving aluminum body, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree camera systems. These features are fantastic when they work, but a financial catastrophe to fix when they don't. A minor front-end collision is no longer a simple fix. It now involves replacing and recalibrating a host of expensive sensors and radar units, work requiring special tools. The aluminum body panels are also far more expensive to repair than traditional steel. While a basic F-150 might remain reasonably insurable, the high-performance and luxury trims can be significantly more costly. As these trucks become ever more complex, the cost of claims is skyrocketing. For 2026, expect the insurance price gap between a base F-150 and a luxury-loaded Platinum to become a massive financial chasm. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Number 6. Kia Sportage, 2015 to 2021. Returning to the scene of the crime, our number 6 spot goes to another popular SUV caught in the Immobilizer disaster, the Kia Sportage from the 2015 to 2021 model years. The Sportage has long been a favorite for its design, warranty, and feature-rich interior. But just like its siblings, this generation of the Sportage was manufactured without that vital engine immobilizer. This oversight made it a prime target, and the Sportage was the 10th most stolen vehicle overall in 2023. The insurance fallout is equally grim. Owners have reported massive, unexpected premium hikes. Imagine having a perfect driving record, but seeing your insurance bill double simply because of your car. In some regions, insurers have reportedly refused to write new policies for these at-risk SUVs, leaving owners stranded. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a financial disaster. As insurers continue to tally the immense losses from this theft wave, their projections for 2026 will undoubtedly include even higher premiums for models like the Sportage, turning a once-affordable SUV into a high-risk gamble. Number 5. BMW 7 Series. At number 5, we have the flagship of German engineering, the BMW 7 Series. It has always been a technological showcase, debuting BMW's latest innovations in performance, comfort, and safety. However, there's a steep price for being on the cutting edge. What's revolutionary today becomes absurdly expensive to repair tomorrow. A modern 7 Series is a rolling network of computers and exotic materials. When a 7 Series is involved in a collision, the repair cost can be astronomical. The intelligent kidney grille houses cameras and sensors. Laser headlights can cost thousands to replace. And the chassis is a complex fusion of carbon fiber and aluminum that only specialized shops can repair. Insurers see this pattern and price their policies for the absolute worst-case scenario. They know a seemingly minor accident could easily trigger a claim exceeding $20,000 or $30,000. While the average BMW is expensive to insure, a flagship model like the 7 Series is in a different league, with full coverage averaging over $2,300 annually. Heading into 2026, with repair costs climbing, expect insurers to bake an even larger risk premium into policies for this high-tech land yacht. Number 4. Hyundai Sonata, 2015 to 2021. Breaking into our top 4 is another victim of the theft vulnerability. The Hyundai Sonata from model years 2015 to 2021. The Sonata was lauded for its bold styling and near-luxury experience for a mainstream price, but that value proposition has been utterly destroyed by the absence of an engine immobilizer. The Sonata was the second most stolen car in the entire country in 2023 and remains in the top 2 for the first half of 2025, a direct consequence of its security flaw being broadcast across social media. This has put the model squarely in the crosshairs of every auto insurance underwriter. The financial blow to owners has been severe and is only getting worse. Rate hikes are especially vicious in cities with high theft rates. For an owner in one of these hotspots, the increase could make the car completely unaffordable to insure. Insurers are systematically updating their risk models to account for the massive spike in theft claims. Looking toward 2026, the data will paint an even bleaker picture, leading to premiums that seem totally disconnected from the car's original sticker price. A sensible family sedan has been transformed into a high-risk asset. Number 3. Maserati Ghibli. Cracking the top 3 is a car that oozes Italian flair, the Maserati Ghibli. The appeal is purely emotional. The iconic Trident badge, the sculpted body, and the roar of its Ferrari-derived engine. But behind that breathtaking design lies a financial trap. The Maserati Ghibli is notoriously expensive to insure, with average annual premiums that can approach a staggering $6,700. Why so outrageously expensive? It's a perfect storm of risk. First, as a high-performance luxury car, it's statistically more likely to be in a serious accident. Second, and most critically, are the astronomical repair costs. Key parts are incredibly expensive and difficult to source, meaning a minor accident can easily spiral into a 5-figure repair bill. Finally, the car depreciates like a stone. Insurers know that almost any claim is going to be a massive one. For 2026, with parts and labor costs on the rise, the already sky-high insurance rates for the Ghibli are poised to climb even higher. Number 2. Rivian R1T. Our runner-up is a newcomer that has taken the automotive world by storm, the Rivian R1T. It's a trailblazing electric truck combining rugged off-road capability, ingenious features, and face-melting quad-motor performance. However, being new and revolutionary comes with a massive dose of the unknown, and in the insurance industry, unknown is a very expensive word. Insurers are still scrambling to price the risk for a Rivian, but what they do know is making them nervous. Much like Tesla's, the R1T is loaded with complex tech and a costly battery pack. Repairs are not only expensive, but can often only be done by a tiny network of service centers. The R1T is also a heavyweight performance monster, capable of hitting 60 miles per hour in about 3 seconds. This combination of immense weight and supercar acceleration is a recipe for incredibly severe, high-cost accidents. As more claims data pours in, underwriters will almost certainly react to the high repair costs and performance risks with aggressive premium hikes. By 2026, that cool, futuristic truck could come with an insurance bill that feels anything but. Number 1. Tesla Model Y. And here it is. The number 1 car on our list is one of the best-selling vehicles in the world, the Tesla Model Y. It delivers the perfect blend of SUV practicality, EV efficiency, and Tesla's signature tech-forward minimalism. But its astounding popularity is creating a perfect storm of insurance risk. The Model Y suffers from all the same issues as the Model S, but on a much larger scale. First, the repair costs are exorbitant. Data consistently shows that full coverage on a Model Y is significantly higher than for an average SUV. Minor fender benders can lead to the car being declared a total loss because the cost to repair the complex body structure and recalibrate autopilot sensors is simply too high. And of course, replacing a damaged battery is a five-figure nightmare. Second, because there are millions on the road, the Model Y is generating a colossal amount of claims data confirming insurers' worst fears. These cars are incredibly expensive to fix. Insurance rates for the Model Y have been climbing much faster than the national average. Insurers are no longer guessing. They are reacting to years of hard, expensive data. By 2026, the combined effect of high repair costs, high claim frequency, and the sheer volume of Model Ys on the road will likely lead to shocking insurance renewals for millions of owners. Which car shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments below. Don't get caught off guard. Get that insurance quote before you buy. And if you enjoyed the content, smash that like button and subscribe for more auto content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.